If you're looking for a very quick, very free, and very easy way to do t-shirt designs, look no farther than Vector Dad. Completely free, you don't even need to sign up. So I'm going to go here under All Tools, Font Generators, and I'm going to go right down to the bottom where it says Retro Font Generator. And that's going to come up with this really cool and easy to use interface. So I'm going to use the one here on the left-hand side, 70s striped logo type effect. I'm going to click Edit Design. And then from here, I can just type in whatever text I would like. So just like that, I can now download, and I can use this as an SVG, a PNG, or a JPEG. I'm going to select PNG because it looks great on a t-shirt. Let's try the other one, the 80s neon style font. I'm going to click Edit Design. It's the exact same thing. I can now change my text. And boom, just like that, I can click the download button, and I could do a JPEG, an SVG, or a PNG file. I think this looks fantastic on a t-shirt. It's easy, it's free, I absolutely love it. Thank you very much, Vector Dad. And here's another video on how you can have some free fun in your crafting world.